everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have come on tonight to show you the bag that I used this evening. This is a belt bag. It's a soft peach color that I picked up at Winners. It also has the rose gold color zippers. There is a adjustable strap that goes all the way either to wear across your body or your waist. The one downfall to this bag is the clip is plastic, so it is easy to break being plastic, but it is completely adjustable, which I do like, and on both sides as well. This bag features one zipper along the back of the bag. It's just a flat zipper that rests against your back or your chest or your waist, however you wish to carry the bag. So I just put something slender in here, which is just a pack of Kleenex, and I kept my telephone in here for most of the day. This bag has no loops, no buckles of any kind, so for me to hang my hand sanitizer off the side was a little bit difficult. So what I had done was I disconnected here, double looped a hair scrunchie that complemented the color of the bag, and then just looped a wider keychain through the edge of the hand sanitizer holder as well as through the scrunchie, so that held it in place, and it did do a great job in a pinch for most of the day. The sanitizer I used was 1,000 Wishes from Bath & Body Works, as well as the holder as well. It is white with a gold butterfly. In the main compartment of this bag, I put my items in here loose because I wasn't going for a very long time, and I just took the majority of items that I needed should I need a touch-up on the way. I brought with me my wallet. It's one that I've used for quite a while. As you can see, it's well loved. This wallet was purchased through my local bookstore. It does not carry the style wallet anymore. However, I am on the lookout for a replacement that has done me just as good as this. And that is in the beautiful peachy pink as well. I also have with me a hand cream, watermelon lemonade from Bath & Body Works. I also have my foundation from CoverGirl, the Clean and Fresh. I also have with me my SPF 15, a charger cord with an extra hair tie. I brought with me a pincer clip. I also have the Born Lovely perfume from Sarah Jessica Parker. I took this sanitizer with me as a backup because I was not sure whether or not this would stay, so I wanted to make sure I did have one, and it did last very well, so quite happy with how that turned out. A pen. I also have with me, you guys all know that I use Sage. This is their Cocoa Lips Lip Balm. It is absolutely amazing, so I took that with me today. As well, I had their headache remedy, their peppermint halo. If you have a headache, feel it coming on throughout the day, you can take this, just unscrew the top, and you would rub this along your hairline. It does have the scent of peppermint. It is a non-medicated way to help alleviate your headaches. If you have muscle soreness in the back of your neck, you can also use that as well. I absolutely love this. I think I'm on my 3rd bottle of this for this year, so I use that. I do have headaches due to weather, so that is very helpful to me. I also have a lip balm. That's all that is in there. In the front zip pocket of this bag, I have with me Just a few simple items I tossed in here, which were some coil hair wraps, a nail file, as well as a pencil clip. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the like and subscribe button as well. If you wish to be notified when I upload another video, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you soon.